Hi, today we're going to be taking on unboxing review at Lobster Series 2. There's 48 to quit. This one is the crab one. So, Series 2, Lobsters, Lot On. Superstore. Lot On just kind of reminds me of Kamen Rider Gaim. If you don't know what Kamen Rider Gaim is, it's a Super Sentai, kind of Power Rangers almost, where they use henshin belts and some henshin bracelets, what they call it, henshin brace, which is kind of like morphers, I guess you could call it, but they're on their arm and stuff. Anyway, but yeah, this Gaim, it was kind of like Kamen Rider Fruit or Fruit Rider, because they use all different types of fruits, and then later on they use like energy type of soda pop. So yeah, I guess you could say it's like soda pop, fruit Kamen Riders. It's kind of like that. But I know they're hitting the lots, and then when they push them, it's like lot open. Then they put them inside the boat and close the little lot and say lot on. And then they make the little theme music, and then they have a little sword on their belt for kind of the main riders, and then will open up to make it look like that fruit's been sliced in two almost. And for the soda pop one, it just looks like it's extracting the juice and filling the glass with a straw. It's like energy type of soda pop. So yeah, kind of a little bit of history of how I got. Not the best history, but kind of made it short and sweet. Somewhat simple because this is the main focus. But Lot On, that's gonna give me every single time. Yes, it's made by Hasbro. Lost the credit. No duh, obviously. And there's different types of code numbers here. So this one is 82161, because all different ones have different numbers in the back. But you really don't need to know this because, guess what? You know what you're going to be buying. I actually picked this up at the dollar store for $1 plus, sales tax. So, yep. So let's open it up and see what a Lobster has to offer. Which, not exactly sure how you open these things up. Looks like they kind of did the old Hasbro go crazy with the tape on there type thing. Guess they were told him, hey, it's heat strut to be sealed on here. Nope. They're like, let's use tape. Okay, people, keep Hasbro away from tape, because when they tape everything. I wonder if they have a house made out of tape. I wonder if they eat tape, because, I mean, look, this is tape. You know, believe me? Look, that's been taped up to a certain point. I mean, yeah, Hasbro, they don't know when to stop on the tape. So it says surprise inside. And what do we get here? So it says it includes, I'm just going to read it from the card because you can't see that small print on camera. Hey, even I can't see a small print in person. So it says includes one decorative lot, which got to be this one. 2 keys. You can see our 2 keys right there. 1 lot POW. Okay, I don't know what a lot POW is. And it says, and 2 charm accessories. I'm guessing that's a